Hey, what's up, friends? This is Danny M back again to test out some more side projects or projects that people are working on, startup ideas, websites, apps. Um, I'm here again to test a new project I found on Reddit, which is where I find most of them. So let's kind of just dive in. Um, Actually, before that, who am I? I'm like a super duper hipster early adopter. What's an early adopter? An early adopter is somebody that looks for new projects, new apps, new games, new movie. Like they're the ultimate hipster that tries to find new things and tries them out first. That's why they call them the early adopter, because they, I don't know, adopt things early on in the life cycle of a product or service. Um, It's kind of like the douchey friend that always wanted to find the new band before anyone else. Well, that's what an earlier adopter is for apps and like websites and stuff. So anyway, I think it's a technical term, but I'm not sure. Moving on. Um, I'm going to be testing an idea. If we go to Reddit, I found an idea I thought was very, very interesting. Um, and I think you guys will find it interesting too. Let me just move this, get this looking good. There we go. Okay, cool. So I found an idea. First of all, let me go into. I own a website called Runway 16. It's essentially a place for you to plug your project, and these are real projects plugged by people. This is my website. You can go there if you want me to review your idea. You can click on ideas here, websites, apps, etc. And you can kind of comment on them, give feedback, whatever. So I'll stop plugging my own website right now and go back to business. I was interested in visual analytics using visualization. That's a interesting word, to visualization, to bring your Google Analytics data to life. What the fuck does that mean? I have no idea. So let's kind of go find out what that means. Let's just do it. I kind of like to go in as a blank canvas, so I don't know really what to expect, and you watch me figure this shit out. Alright, visual analytics. Using visualization to bring your Google Analytics data to life. Bringing your Google Analytics data to life. What does that mean? Get started, interactive demo. What is visual analytics? It's pretty pictures. I don't know what these mean. Is that what visual means? See how users are moving through your website and filter for traffic source. What is visual analytics? Launched in 2017, Visual Analytics is a free application that allows you to view your Google Analytics data using a range of intuitive and interactive visualizations. Wow, my tongue is already tired and I'm already bored. These visualizations allow you to blah blah blah, really get into the details of where users are coming from, how they get into your website, and what they're doing once they are there. Intended as a supplement to existing Google Analytics dashboard, Visual Analytics makes your data more accessible and inspires you to dig deeper. Okay, so what does that mean in English? It makes your Google Analytics attractive to look at. You could have probably just said that, like, well, this Visual Analytics makes it pretty to look at. It's just a personal preference. I hate reading if I don't have to. How does your Visual Analytics work? I don't want to read that. I'm too lazy to read that. A word on privacy and data security. I don't want to read that. I want to look at pretty pictures. I'm sure you're a good person. I'm sure you're doing good things. Blog about us demo. All right, let's get Now here's the real test. Will you let me test this out as a demo without asking for my email address? That's what I want to see. All right, get started. No. Interactive demo. Boom. Okay. Whatever that first option was, I didn't want to do it, but the second option looks fun. So let's go through it. I don't know if you can see my mouse, so I'm just gonna, what is this? Welcome to your dashboard. This place shows some high-level statistics about your selected website, property, and view. This includes your page views and sessions over time, which websites are referring the most traffic to your website, which pages they are landing on, and which keywords people are searching for. I've already forgotten what you said. What? Welcome to your dashboard. This page shows some high-level statistics about your selected website. Okay, cool. I'm going to remember that part and probably forget everything else you just said. Alright. To dive deeper, scroll down and select one of the 4 main detail views. User flow, acquisition, page analyzer. So I'm guessing this is an awesome tool for somebody that cares about Google Analytics. So key numbers, sessions, page views, bounce rate, average session duration, okay, page views per session, new users, okay. So, what is going on here? Traffic over time. So this is amounts of people, and then I would imagine the date, yeah. Okay. Top referrers. What's this? Country breakdown, page analyzer. Okay. What's this? Top searched. So what are you guys doing then? Go to all channels. Direct. Visualizations. A day in detail. What's this? Let's click on that. What is? Okay, cool. Yeah. This dashboard is designed to allow you to look at your website traffic for a single day in high detail. So this website, 62 sessions. Okay. What's this? What's this? Okay. So it's just a breakdown of where they came from. One referral. Okay, cool. So looking at what can I tell straight away from looking at this? Social media, light blue, light blue, light blue, light blue. Social media is giving me most here. Then social media drops off, and it's direct and referral stays about the same. So social media, big change, drops off here. Okay. So it's giving me just like a pretty attractive way that's not ugly to look at traffic, is what I'm getting from this. So if I'm an SEO person, or if I'm a Google Analytics person for a website, and I spend all day looking at Google Analytics, maybe this would be a more attractive thing to stare at all day. Maybe if you have multiple clients, and it sucks to, I don't know, does Google Analytics, is it sucky? Let's see. Visualizations, user flow, acquisition, user flow. This visualization is designed to show how users move through your website. Press play to start. Play. Huh. That's cool as fuck. I don't know what I'm looking at. Okay. So what we got here? Okay, what am I looking at? Think, Danny, think. The blue is social. I remember that. It's social media. So you've okay. So this is what you're actually doing then. You're taking the Google Analytics data and you're making it way more fun to actually look at. Because I like looking at this shit. This is cool. This is like what's good. Like if I follow these are going down here. I don't know what page this. What page is this? Okay, so this is the page, and then you're showing me how many. So most of them I can see immediately. Most of them are going here and then leaving. Okay, that makes sense. Yeah. Okay. And then where's directs going? Well, is there a way I can? I just want to see directs. Is there a way to just see directs? Oh, nice. Okay. So, how the fuck do I? This is so much information though. Okay. So directs, they're going straight to whatever this page is. Some of them are going over here. Okay. So, I'm gonna try and follow like one. If I go back, play again. Okay. So where's this one? He went down here, then he went over here, then he went here. Okay, cool. I wonder if this is confusing or if it's useful though. Referral. Let's try referral. Where? Okay, so you went here, then you went to here, you went to here, then you went over here. What pages are these? That's just a lot of chaos going on. All right. Oh, yeah. It's kind of fun. I like it. But now what do I do with it? Wait, where's... Okay, stop. Dot equals one user. Animated, what's all routes? Show bounces. Color palette by source. I don't want to mess with that. So now I understand what you mean by visualization. I don't know if that's the only one, but now that makes sense to me. What's acquisitions? Okay. So this visualization is designed to allow you to explore how users get to your website and who they are. There are two ways you can do this. The basic view shows initially groups users by the channel they use to get to your website, with large bubbles representing more users. Clicking on the bubble will allow you to zoom in a level to look at that group of users more closely. Clicking the advanced view tab will change the chart to zoomable tree map. So advanced view, basic view. Okay. So what can I tell straight away? I have no idea what I'm looking at. What am I looking at? I feel like somebody that does Google Analytics every day is going to know immediately what they're looking at. Oh, LinkedIn sessions, Reddit, that thing, Blogger, Facebook, Twitter. Okay, so I'm getting most of my traffic or sessions from Twitter, I'm guessing. Okay, so let me click on that. What happens? Bounce rate. Okay. Okay. Interesting. United States, India, UK, Brazil, Germany. Desktop, mobile, tablet. Okay. Advanced view. What's going on over here? Uh-oh. So, I don't know what's going on here. The Advanced View tab will change the chart to a zoomable tree map. In this chart, all the options are customizable, allowing you to select all dimensions. Okay. So this is a tree, apparently. Whatever that means. Tree. Social. Tico. I don't know what this is up here. What's this? LinkedIn, Facebook. Free share. Okay. Okay. So if I click on here. I still feel like I'm confused. Acquisition data, social. I don't know. I mean, it seems cool. I don't know if I fully understand what's going on. Okay, I like the basic view. Let's stay over in the basic view. That makes sense to me. The advanced was a little bit outside of my wheelhouse. All right, so what we got? LinkedIn. Bounce rate, 51%. Average session duration, 162 seconds. Page views per session, 2.1 pages. Okay. I like the basic view way more. I don't know. I don't understand the advanced view at all for a second. Okay, so I think I have a good idea. It's if somebody stares at Google Analytics all day because it's their job, because they work at a marketing firm or they work at a PR firm and they have 25 contracts, maybe they're doing analytics for a corporate client and they spend all day looking at Google Analytics. Maybe they would be interested in a tool like this. I'm guessing. Because if they stare at it all day, it being more attractive to look at probably makes them do a better job. They probably would notice things. They probably notice things they wouldn't notice if it wasn't visualized. So I think that's valuable. I'm not sure I know fully how to utilize it, but I'm sure it's valuable to that person. So let's go back to home. Okay, so yeah, that's kind of what I was looking at earlier. That thing is fucking nuts. I don't know how long I can stare at that thing. Maybe it would make sense to me more if I was actually using my website, because I understand what pages are what. I understand where people are going. I understand my website. So maybe this would make, like, this area here and this image, maybe it would make more sense to me if it was my website that the demo was running on. So maybe that's a good idea. Offer people an ability. I don't know if it's going to work or not, but offer, I'm sure it does if I click get started, but like, is there a quick way to give me a demo on my site? But maybe you do have that and I just haven't. I don't want to go past get started because I don't want to log in or give you my email because I'm too lazy. But a word on privacy and data security. At Visual Analytics, we value your right to privacy and data security and respect that Google Analytics data we are accessing is not ours. At a time when more and more of our data is being captured and used to target advertising, or worse, you'll be happy to know that Visual Analytics does not capture or store any of your account info or Google Analytics data, even in an aggregated form. In fact, the only data we do capture is our own Google Analytics data on how people are using this site. Well, that's probably pretty useful to you. Hope this video helps. This lack of data collection has several advantages. But primarily it removes the risk of data breach and ensures that you maintain ownership of your data. Good. If you would like to know more details on how we handle your data, I'm too lazy. I'm sure you're good people and you won't do something bad. About us. Let's check out who these people are. Launched in 2017. VA is a free app that allows you to view Google Analytics data in a range of intuitive and interactive visualizations. You already said that. This is about us. These visualizations help. You already said that. I want to learn about you, the team. Okay, so get rid of this. You already said that on the other part of your app. I only care about, when I click on about us, I'm like, who's the team? Who's the geniuses behind it? Oh shit, I didn't want to click on that. Sorry. Visual Analytics is being developed and administered by husband and wife team Brett and Nastasia. Awesome. Brett, a data and visualization professional, has been working in data application development for 12 years. From that place to Deloitte, New York, a small open data startup. His main position is solving interesting problems using data and tech. Having first encountered Google Analytics when starting his personal blog. Okay, Brett became a big fan at Google Analytics, data to understand who was reading his blog and how they were reading it, however realizing that not everyone enjoyed looking through tables of numbers. Amen, sister. Amen. I own a real business and I hate that part. As much as he did, he decided to create Visual Analytics, an app that would summarize the most interesting Google Analytics data and bring it to life. Nastasia is an international lawyer. Nice. And I'm guessing this is who you are. Cool. Hello, nice to meet you. You guys did a great job. And you live in Copenhagen